guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ipsy, and today we are going to be having a short video, but we're going to be opening up August Ipsy. Now, before I open this up, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what happened here. So, my card expired in August, obviously, of 2020. So I got my new card in the mail. So before August, obviously, and I put it into Ipsy for the recharge so they can like charge my card for the Ipsys for the month. So when I did that, I did it for the boxy charms and everything. So when I did that, it went through, it processed, whatever, cool, great. Then I got an email a couple of days or so, like, you know, whatever, and it didn't charge for the other bags. And I'm like, why didn't it charge it? So I'm confused. I'm sitting here and I look, and when I changed it for the bag, it only changed it for the $12 bag. It didn't change for the $25 and the $50 bag. So now when I updated it, it was too late for me to get the other two bags. So I'm only getting the $12 bag, but it is updated now. So next month we will definitely have all three bags. It's just this month that we have one bag. So it's gonna be a really short video. It's gonna be really quick, and we're just gonna run through it. It sucks. I don't understand why I did that, because with my boxy charm I changed it for one and it changed for both boxes. So I don't understand. I don't know who does it individually for bag, but I guess Ipsy does. So I got one bag this month. $12 bag. Sucks because, you know, the other two bags be the best. But here we go. We're gonna open it up. So let's just open this up. And let's hope that there is a card inside. Ooh, so the bag feels like very, ooh, I like it. It's very like a hollow, nice little bag. I think it's really pretty. Mine's like a little beat up, like a little jabbed in, but obviously when it comes in like this packaging, it gets a little beat up along the way. But I think this is really, really cute. I don't think there's a card in here. I'm trying to feel for one, and I don't think there's a card in here, so I'm gonna look everything up. Yeah. So, oh wait, there is one. Wait. No. So that had nothing on it. So let's pull some stuff out of here. The first thing we have that I see is from Orza Beauty, a camo shimmer eyeshadow. Ooh, this is really cute. So I'm assuming it's like a single shadow, and it's obviously full size, I'm assuming. Let me just because it's like a pretty decent size for, I don't know, let me open it up. Ugh. Trash. So, oh, it's actually like a quad. One matte, 3 shimmers. Don't know how I feel about it, honestly. It's not wowing me. It feels a little boring to me. I like this little olivey green shade in the corner, but it just feels very boring to me. I don't know. I mean, it's a cute concept for those that, you know, take it on the go, quick little 1-2 natural, but maybe because it's naturally, I don't like it. Maybe it was like a little bit more color, I would love it, but it's okay. It's nice, I guess. So next thing we have is from Catherine Malandrino. Is a Special Moments Eau de Parfum. So I'm assuming it's a little spritzy spray perfume. I am making a mess today. So let's smell this. Hope it smells good. Can't really smell anything. There we go. It's actually really nice. It's like florally, fruity, soft, but not too soft. It's like a medium. It's not strong and it's not like soft. I don't know. I really like this. This is one, what was this called again? Special Moments. Wow, this smells really good. Oh yeah, I like that. I think I'm gonna carry that in my purse or something, because that one smells really nice. So the next thing we have is the Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm in Watermelon. It's a lip balm. A watermelon lip balm. So I already have lip balm on, so I'm not even going to apply this, but I just want to smell it. And it smells really good. Like, like it smells like a watermelon scented thing or flavored thing. That's literally what it smells like. Smells. So that's nice because, you know, I always like lip balms and stuff like that. So next one we have is from Kiss and Smink. It's the lip crayon pen in the shade Maritas. I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't know if it focused on it. Let me try to. Goodness gracious, I am making a mess around here. Okay, so this is the, ooh, this is a really pretty color. Ooh. Oh yes. I don't know, I feel like this is a really nice like summer to fall transitioning lip color, like with something that you'll wear at the end of summer and like through fall kind of, or like the beginning of fall, because then towards like the center and the endings of fall I like that really dark red. Yes, but this is really nice. I like that. It's really pretty. I like the like packaging of it. It's like very sleek and it's just like a cute little roll up lip crayon. I think it's really nice. And then the last thing inside of this bag is the Lodi London AM to PM retractable eyeliner in espresso. So it's just like a brown eyeliner. Is it like a, what is it, a roll up retractable eyeliner? So it might be like one of the like water line, but is it like waterproof? Hold on, I'm trying to open this. I'm struggling here. So it's like a nice little, you know, retractable brown line. Ooh, this is so creamy and it's like so like brown. I think it's really pretty color. Like it's a really nice espresso color. I don't know how to say it. I don't know, but it's really nice. I really like it a lot. So that's okay. That is everything that I got in my bag this month. I am so sad that I did not get the other two bags. But I mean, I like what's in the bag this month though. I really liked it. I mean, the only thing that really wowed me was the eyeshadows, but I like the liner, I like the lip crayon, I like the balm, I like the, what was in here? The perfume smells nice. It's just the eyeshadow palette, like the little cube. I just wasn't wowing me, you know. But unfortunately, that is everything I have for you this month for Ipsy. I did get my BoxyCharm and my BoxyCharm Premium, and I'm pretty excited because it's a decent time in the month, because it came maybe like 2 or 3 days ago or something like that. So it came a decent time in the month, not the end like it did last month. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm going to film that for you guys and post it up for you guys, and I think I might do the videos, like the boxes, together instead of separate. I don't know, I just feel like I don't know, something's telling me to do them together. So I'm gonna do them together. I'm gonna do a full face of BoxyCharm for you guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below. Let me know if you want me to get any boxes. I was thinking of glossy box. I know I got a whole bunch of boxes. I need to reel myself in, but I was thinking of glossy box. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. I was thinking of FabFitFun. That one is not every month, it's like every season. So it's like a spring, summer, fall, winter boxes. So let me know what you think about that. I'm definitely, because I love getting these boxes. I think that they're so fun. I love the little mysteries in them. I love getting like little new things every time. So definitely let me know what you guys think about that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.